Jumped into what the fuck is that? Took a shot at any out the bag. Girl, you know it's real, I ain't tryna brag.
What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Pretty Marie. If you're not, thank you for returning. Well, it is Pride Month this month, and it is actually Pride today where I am living. So I am going there right after this. I am going with my girlfriend and a couple of my friends. So I'm really excited. I haven't been to Pride in a while. I think I missed last year's Pride. But yes, so this is my Pride makeup. I hope you guys like it. I really love how it came out. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching the video. Let's go check it out. Of course, eyebrows, foundation, done. That's like a must because makeup just be taking too long sometimes, you know. And I don't have time to have like 30-minute videos on YouTube. Who's gonna fucking watch a 30-minute video? Nobody, not unless I'm like super famous. So anyways, as usual, let's jump straight into eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using a couple palettes. I'm gonna try to stick with these two right here, the Modern Renaissance, and then this is a NYX Ultimate palette. You know, it's Pride Month and it's Pride weekend where I live, so I'm actually headed to Pride right after this. So I had to be colorful. So, I mean, I'm not being too colorful because I'm kind of just keeping it cute and, you know, simple, but the palette's fucking colorful, alright? Alright. Okay, so let's prep out our eyes real quick. Then from the NYX palette, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Alright, now I'm gonna take a smaller, fluffier brush, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here at the end. I'm so upset with my nails. They look so cute at first, but like this nail polish, this gel polish keeps fucking peeling and it's so annoying. Like what? Come on, like this is supposed to be gel. It's obviously cheap. Alright, and we're gonna focus this color mainly in the crease. Now I'm going to take this flat Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to take these two colors and I'm going to put them, focus them on the outer corners and a little bit of my crease. And just lightly using these colors.
Did you know Angelina's back on Jersey Shore? You haven't done your makeup yet?
Babe, I'm doing a video. You're interrupting.
Well, are we going out?
Yeah, and I'm doing my makeup for it.
Where are we even going?
What?
Filming
Soon. So can you start getting ready?
Oh my god.
So I lied. I'm actually going to be using my Chocolate Bar palette as well, only this gold shade from it. And I'm going to be applying this right in the middle of my lid. And just to make it more vibrant, I'm going to spray my brush that I'm going to use with just a little bit of setting spray. Okay, well, I can't find my little brush, so I'm gonna be ghetto right now. I'm gonna go in with some NYX eyeshadow glue. Glitter glue, NYX glitter glue. And I'm gonna put this right over the gold that I just applied. And then I'm gonna be using my MAC gold glitter. Alright, now we're going to put some glitter in the corner, so we're going to take some more of the glue to hold the glitter, and then we're going to put the glitter. Alright, for our lashes, we're going to be using these. These are super cute. These are like my favorite lashes. But first we gotta apply some mascara, so I'm going to be applying some of this mascara. Beggars can't be choosers, bitches ain't you. Okay, now we're going to go in for the rest of our face. So to highlight, I'm going to be using my Naked Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer by Urban Decay. Alright, now I'm going to set my highlight. Now I'm going to go in to contour my face, and I'm going to be using my Hoola by Benefit. Okay, now I'm going to go in with highlighter, and I'm going to go in with my MAC. This one is called Double Gleam. Guys. Damn, blind a bitch. I can't turn too far that way. I might blind y'all. Might want to calm that down. Hold on. Just kidding. But, okay, let's go in for lipstick. We're going to go in with my NYX Liquid Suede. This is in the color Sandstorm. Alright, and then last step is going to be to apply our setting spray. I'm going to be using Dewy just because I want to look like nice and glowy. How to take a breath. Alright guys, that completes today's tutorial. As usual, please hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time.